Deep in the fire now, deep in the fire. Big breath.
Feel like I want to close the circle, and we're going to start to build a fire.
You're not circling tight now. Woo! Step in now.
Everyone together. Remember to breathe. One breath. Going in slowly. Then we're going to build. Remember to breathe. Just pushing that energy into the center. Everyone lock in. Start to pick it up. Here we go.
Yeah, here we go now. Woo!
Just relax, okay? Get ready. A lot of healing right here. Here we go, guys.
Woo! Yeah!
Exhale. Exhale. Move together, guys. Here we go.
Woo! Yeah, come on, family. Woo!
Yes.
Woo!
Exhale.
Big breath now. Pull it in. Pull in that breath.
Let's do that side. Big breath. Open that gate. Open that gate. More breath. Let's get that stop. Rock. Give it energy, guys. Pick it up. Exhale. Push up. One breath. One time. Here you go. Right here.
Breathing together now. Here we go.
One breath. Bring it down. Into the earth. Hold it tight. Build that energy. Cross over. Tight fist.
We're all working together now. Hey.
Tight fist. Let's hear that stop. Together. One stop. Cadence. Cadence. Come down. And breathe. Right here. Hold it. Now cross over the down here. Go here. Come on, guys. Work it right here. Go deep. Move that energy. Way to work. Come on, champion. Oh, yeah. Keep holding on. Open. Exhale. 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 Breath. Breath. Inhale. Deep. Big top. Strong, guys. Right here. Come on and tight. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Breath. Nice and easy. mother's aware of where we're at, and she's taking us through the fire. Share that energy. Side to side. Move that energy around the circle. Take it where you need it. Push down. Everyone reach out. Here we go. Right there. Exhale. Your energy. Exhale. Beautiful. Let's hear that side. Exhale. That's it. Shane, move it around right now, guys. Hold strong. Take it. Exhale. Yes. Exhale. Exhale. Side to side.
Yeah.
You can do it. 1, 2.
Yeah.
I know, right?